Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S Music, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it like this. Once you open the app, you will probably see the home page. Now tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and here you should see your Forerunner 255S Music. Tap on it to select it. Once you're on the device page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on it, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In Settings, tap on Bluetooth. Here find the Forerunner 255S Music on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. Then you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.